Everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a different content for you guys. My birthday is coming up. It's gonna be my 34th birthday, as a matter of fact, and I've already started receiving gifts. And one gift in particular that I just received through the mail that I want to share with you guys because I think it's pretty unique, and it's also very super nice. So I know there's already started to be some videos on the web on this, but I guess you can never have too many. So this is basically going to be like an unboxing, and it's an unboxing of a very special gift from a very special designer. So it came in a big box, and when you take it out, you get to see this. So as you can see, it's a Gucci bag, at least a Gucci shopping bag, and it's super cool and super holographic, and it got me super excited. So let's find out what it is. All right. You open it from here, and then I think you guys are gonna like this. Ta-da! Oh my god, that's pretty heavy. What a gift box, right? Check it out. It's got the Mickey all over the place, Gucci sign, the cloth Gucci ribbon, and then a nice Disney by Gucci in the back of the box. And looks like has a little card on here on it. So just take a little look at that. Aww. So it says, "To the bestest babe in the world, maybe the universe. Happy birthday 2020, love, Mike." So, in case you guys don't know, Mike is my longtime boyfriend, husband, partner, and this is super sweet and super nice, and I'm super blessed to have him in my life. And this is just one of the benefits to it. So super excited to see what it is. I love Mickey, so can never go wrong with a Mickey gift with me. So let's open this up and see what we have. All right, take off the ribbon. Super nice, by the way. It says Gucci on there. I don't know if you guys can see that detail. Gucci all over the ribbon. Super nice. All right. And then we got the box. We're gonna take off the lid here. Nice and wrapped with red tissue paper. Ooh. Looks like it's even more something else. It's in a custom fabric bag. Again, more labeling, Disney by Gucci. You got the Mickey character right there. Let's take a look even more. Seems pretty big. And then we get this. And then, oh, you guys, this is super nice. Wow. So I think, and I had been seeing these I think this is the latest Gucci Mickey collaboration for this year. I think it has something to do with it being the Chinese Year of the Rat, something like that. They're having, that's why they're doing Mickey Mouse. But wow, this is a small backpack and it's super, super nice. It's got the little Mickey detailing stitched all over, and then the Gucci symbol all over the bag with leather, and then the gold varnished zippers. And then you have the straps, backpack straps with the Gucci lettering but no Mickey, and they're adjustable, so you can fit them to what you want. Let's take a look inside. Wouldn't be packaged properly if it wasn't full. In fact, I think you're supposed to always keep this full if you keep it in storage, or if you're not going to be using it for a while. I recommend you keep it full so that it maintains its shape. But it's really, really nice from the inside as well. See here, it's got the Gucci labeling right here, made in Italy, and then a small little inside pocket for you to store your valuables or your authenticity cards. Wow, smells amazing. All leather. So anyways, I wanted to share this bag with you guys and just give you a little open box video so you could see how it comes and how you get it. And I'm super excited to have this. It's gonna come super in handy in our next trip. We'll be visiting a couple different countries, and this will make a great travel tote to keep all my essentials when we're out and about during our trip. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and can't wait to show you guys more stuff. Thanks. Bye.